Hello everyone. In this session, we will be exploring the different data sources in Power BI. We will take a look at all the different data sources that Power BI supports, empowering you to connect and leverage the data from various sources to create insightful reports and dashboards. From file-based data sources to online services and custom connectors, we will connect with everything you need to know about the accessing and integrating of the data in Power BI. The first one in this list is the file-based data sources. File-based data sources allows you to connect Power BI to local files stored on your computer or network. Power BI supports various file formats, including Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, and XML files, providing flexibility in accessing the unstructured data. The second one is the database data sources. Database data sources enable you to connect Power BI to relational databases such as SQL Server, MySQL, and Oracle. By establishing a connection to these databases, you can import tables and view directly into Power BI for analysis and visualization. The next one in the list is online services. Power BI seamlessly integrates with a range of online services, including Azure services, Dynamics 365, SharePoint Online, and various web services. Whether your data is stored in the cloud or on premises, Power BI provides connectors to access and integrate the data from these services. The next one in the list is Big Data and NoSQL. For organizations dealing with large volumes of data or using NoSQL databases, Power BI offers connectivity to big data platforms such as Azure, HD Insights, Spark, MongoDB, and Amazon Redshift. These connectors enable you to analyze and visualize the data stored in these distributed and non-relational databases. The next one in the list is other data sources. Power BI supports a variety of other data sources, including folders, Power Platform, Hadoop files, which is HDFS files, and more. These connectors cater to specific data storage and processing needs, allowing you to access the data from diverse sources within your organization. The next one in the list is online services. In addition to the previously mentioned online services, Power BI connects to popular online platforms such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, and MailChimp. These connectors enable you to extract valuable insights from your online activities and marketing campaigns. The next one in the list is custom connectors. For advanced users and specific data integration requirements, Power BI supports custom connectors such as ODBC, OLEDB, RScript, and Python scripts. These connectors provide flexibility in accessing the data from specialized sources and performing custom data transformation. The next one in the list is Power Platform and Microsoft 365. Power BI seamlessly integrates with Power Platform and Microsoft 365 ecosystem, enabling the collaboration and data sharing across applications such as Power Automate. By leveraging these integrations, you can streamline the workflows and enhance the productivity within your organization. The next one in the list is Data Flow and Power Query. Data Flow and Power Query are powerful feature within the Power BI that allows you to perform data preparation and transformation tasks. With Power BI Data Flow and Power Query, you can clean, reshape, and enrich your data before loading it into the Power BI for analysis. The last one is Azure Synapse Analytics, which was formerly known as SQL Data Warehouse. Azure Synapse Analytics, also known as the SQL Data Warehouse, is a cloud-based data warehousing solution that integrates seamlessly within Power BI. By connecting Power BI to Azure Synapse Analytics, you can leverage the scalability and performance of Azure's cloud infrastructure for your analytics workloads. In this tutorial, we have explored the diverse range of data sources available in Power BI, from file-based sources to online services and custom connectors. By understanding the capability of these connectors, you can unlock the full potential of Power BI and leverage the data from various sources to drive informed decision making within your organization. This was all for this session. In the upcoming sessions, we will take a look at how can you connect to these data sources. Thank you.